may morph them and how some imagery kind of by way. What's the big damn deal for me? But I just flat out forgot it. Self-care. So he looks like a keyhole. That talked too long, so then I started thinking about it. So I want to begin morphing her into this. But I sure do hope that you guys super thin paper. Also wouldn't try super thick, because then and really smooth it down. Hopelessness. I wrote thickly glue. Let's see. Can't wait to show you the new journal variation. I mean the whole thing. And depending on my, so I don't mean that mean, right?